What's up, guys? Parking Bark Plays, and today we are playing Red Dead again. We got my friends back there. What do you? All right, guys, we gotta blow up the train. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys. Chat. Look at Dutch. All right. Yeah, we're gonna blow up the train. He's in the front. I'm catching up. Dutch. Hold up. We got the bow and arrow.
Spot there that should give us good vantage.
Bro.
Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way? I'll be fine. Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point.
Nah.
Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars.
Look at you, ready? You're pulling out the gun a lot. Should we get the shotgun or the revolver?
Micah, you head straight for the back.
We have Deadeye also. We unlocked Deadeye,
Mr.
so.
Cornwall's private car.
Bro, I'm just gonna Deadeye everybody with the revolver. Oh my lord.
If you keep your head for once.
Alright, guys.
Enough.
When are we gonna get to this stupid train?
Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yeah, Casey got me that. Casey got me that.
Good. Now come on. Let's rock.
I beef with Fortnite. Should I start streaming Red Dead Online? It's downstairs. You can go and grab it. Bring it up here. Oh, well, I have a password on it. You guys will have to bring it up here. Alright, we're almost there yet.
Out of the snow, finally. Feels good, doesn't it?
Woo,
But
let's go.
Done fast. Now it's thawing before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I... Idiot!
Hey!
This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan,
Yeah.
Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Of course I'm ready.
Just stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That
We're
goes
making
for
a job
all of
behind.
you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
Oh, I took the
That's a
wrong way.
lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy
Play
to go
first
back there
step.
now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
Yeah.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. The money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right,
The head
you
strap on
stack a
this is a
railroad
little more
bonds on
comfortable.
this train.
The head strap on the Oculus Rift
There's
is
a water
10 times
tower.
more comfortable.
Over
Oh,
there
let's
on
go.
the ridge.
We're here.
Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head down? See how he's
I love not
getting
having
on?
the ring. It's
Okay.
it's been so nice. It was so easy. It took me like 10 minutes. Well, it only took me like 10. It only ever took me that long to begin with because I had to wait for like the game save data to upload and for the games to download. First steps, because that's just like the tutorial game.
Yep.
Yeah. No, but in the games it looks so much better.
How you getting on?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
No, like you map out like an area of like walls and stuff, and then you'll be able to like shoot at it. You'll be able to like shoot at it and it'll bust like holes and stuff in the wall. Mhm. We're connecting the wire to the detonator, Mason. When you're in like the games, it looks way better. The pass-through in games look way better. Okay, that's a really good game. Also, we're playing like a small room. I played it in a hall with tables literally everywhere. Like there was no one.
So is this like just you head back up to the others.
Yeah, it
I
is.
got it from here.
The audio is so good. Are you playing First Encounters? What?
It's like I can see the colors, like the lights on his PC. Like,
Why isn't Mason just playing normal games? Because he wanted to test out the mixed reality, because that's what like the Oculus 3 is. The problem is that there's not really much like
What's
free
going on? He says
mixed
all
reality.
fine.
We'll soon find out.
I give me that off of that stuff. Everything just feels like
Brennan, he's going over to the detonator, Brennan.
I'm gonna go down.
Come on.
It's a bit glitchy because it's over 100 megabytes. What? No,
Does it make it your own boundary by walking?
Yeah,
That's cool.
I know. My boundaries have been so big lately.
Does the boundary make it so if you go off next to it, you have to physically line?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. I don't, that's the reason I will make my entire room in the boundary until it hits like a different one. Yeah, usually I
It does kind of ruin the immersion. All right, bro. What are we doing?
Why is it so laggy?
Because, bro, it's over 100 megabytes. The map is absolutely ginormous. The graphics are bonkers.
Everything okay?
Here, you want me? I'll make it a little bit less laggy. Oh,
Just delete every other game.
what about Fortnite?
You're born, I read that. Fucker, if I get PS5, I'm gonna say like for my birthday or something,
You gotta get GTA on the PS5.
will you get Red Dead on the PS5? If I get Red Dead on PS5?
Probably. I mean, just online though. I'll just get online.
Do you have to buy the separate ones? Like, do you have to buy online separate? Or is that like a
You have to buy it separately. Well, no. If you buy a certain version, you can buy just online, or you can buy the story with online.
So why would, like, if you don't even want to buy online?
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute.
Can you just buy GTA online?
Yo, we're putting on the banana. That's what my cousin did, because my cousin has it on his Xbox, but he already played through the story,
It's
so
time.
he just bought online to play. All right, you guys ready?
Good luck. All of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go.
Yo, blow it up. No, Micah, what did you do?
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you
We failed the train robbery.
Who said it was fine?
Come on!
You're pathetic. You know that?
Run! Oh, we have to jump onto the train. Yo, I'm about to jump onto the train.
We go.
Yo, let's go. See, it looks kind of... Bro, why are you so close to me?
Pull me up. Help!
Lenny. Where's Lenny?
I'm slipping.
No, Lenny. I got you, Lenny.
I've got you. Now stop yelling.
Oh, shit.
Let's go. I got you, Lenny.
Now, let's go slow this thing down.
I'm gonna go take over the train.
He fell. The others will get him.
Oh! Oh, that guy's dead.
Go. We need to stop this train.
What is it called? Holy crap. That's it. I'm so done with you. Ugh. Execution.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm
That's it. We're taking out the knife.
Well, I hooked up the fire, but we won't mention that. Kill that bastard!
Grabbing a knife. Jumping down. Ah.
That's what we're doing, kid. How you doing there?
I'm okay.
Hold up. I have to heal myself.
If we don't stop this train soon,
And I think it's too late to defend now.
I know.
And I played it. It's not even. It's not as good as I thought. Probably because I played it with Mason setting, and Mason has such weird settings.
I got a clear shot.
No, because in Bone Wars, there's like Spider-Man mods and car mods and stuff. No, it's the original. Let's go! Oh,
Look out! Got more coming off the train.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
We need the car at the back, right?
Yep, keep pushing on it.
the controllers crash themselves.
Watch out! There's a shooter up top.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this
Still
guy?
good, kid.
I'm on the Morgan! Let's go!
Tell the others. We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. There's the other one.
Oh, you're done now. Hey, over here first.
Oh!
Good shoot, kid.
I can see now why O'Driscoll's brought so many
Let's
boys
go.
up here for this.
Arthur, get over here. You two all right?
Yes. Let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Bro, the
What are
earthquake.
you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you.
Brennan,
I give you my
we didn't get to
word,
blow up the train, but we had an
trust me,
epic brawl.
We will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends
Yeah,
have gone
Walt Disney
deaf.
did.
Wake them up a little.
What, my Oculus password?
That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Oh, we need to blow up something.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take
Place
a
some
step
dynamite.
Seems good enough. Now
Light
light
the
the
fuse.
fuse.
back.
Let's go. Mason,
Unless you got
we're blowing this thing up. Let's go.
Step back, fellas.
All right, let's go in there with a knife.
All right, come on.
Oh, I was just about to shoot him, bro. We're gonna pull out the knife. They're gonna be scared of me if I have guns, but I'm using a knife instead. Go to the private car. Yes, get on train.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as...
Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up. 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 Hold up.
Why do you have so big screen beta? It's so good.
Because I don't know how to get it to work.
You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Shut up.
Cigar.
Me
We
and
get a
Arthur did
cigar.
all the work.
Yeah.
What
kid
movies
did
do you
good.
get?
Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give
Oh.
you that.
Bet.
Okay. Let's see if we can get this open.
Well, I already watched YouTube on my Oculus. Because of the pass-through, I can just like walk around and like do chores and stuff.
Get in there.
Yeah. That's what a bunch of people do.
There. See? That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make
They're
yourself
talking about
useful, since
bonds.
We all know you can read. Give me those.
Like from social studies class.
Oh no, no, bombs.
Railroad contracts.
That's it, broski. I'm telling Mr. Williams that I've been playing an educational game.
Really? Sugar imports from the Spanish.
It's about like the time period that we're
Some fancy new
Brendan.
ponies ordered from Europe.
it's like about the time period that we're working on right now also.
Except for after this, we're gonna do like War of Mexico.
Have you checked all the drawers and cabinets?
Been there. So I'm excited.
Where's my hat at? Did I get my hat blown off?
Hey! Hey!
Jesus, bro. What are you guys
This
doing?
looks like something.
Oh, lockbox!
These just seem to be contracts. Arthur, have you looked down the end there?
Bro, calm down. Guys, I think I just got a bond. Oh, I got a bond!
Thank God. Come on.
Guys, I got a bond! Yo, you guys, I just got a bond. No, a bond!
What did you find?
These.
Yeah, I have one of those strapped to me right now.
Worth anything?
Ah!
Sure.
Get down, Mr. President!
Bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Did you get rid of all of this?
Train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
About
No.
What do you think?
You don't want to look like Mason.
It's up to you. Kill him, leave him here, take him with you
But
on
look
the
at him.
train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
But look at
See you
him.
back at camp. When you get back,
No,
we'll
they
be
paid him in
moving on.
chocolate.
The rest of you,
Like in the
let's
movie.
ride.
Yes, as we can all see by the movie, they paid you in chocolate.
No, they paid. Okay, they paid for me to eat a bunch of chocolate.
Why do I have to deal with the guards? I don't like you.
Stop! Please, no!
Screw my honor. Where do you think you're going, bud? Wah! You know what? That's it. No. I need to stab him. You get your butt over here. No! I was chasing him down. I did not lose the mission because I was running after somebody.
Yeah, I should give a quest for you. It's amazing.
Alright.
I'm alcoholic. I need to get my soda.
Okay.
Stop! Please, no!
We got a runner. He can run.
So bad.
Your horsey's the best person. He's like one of your only allies. Bro, young Sheldon Red Dead Redemption collab was goated. Sheldon, why aren't you riding a horse? I had a horse, but it died. Oh yeah, I named my horse in online after the fear of mirrors. So my horse is afraid of mirrors.
Did you buy it online too?
Yeah. Why wouldn't I? That's the main reason I wanted to get it. I wanted to get online. Bro, how do I flip in close? Oh, start train. Usually I could never leave my horsey. In story, probably. In graphics, maybe. That one's a maybe. Spider-Man's got some really good graphics.
If you have a great PC, probably yeah.
Bro, my cousin is running it on a crappy laptop. He has everything on the lowest graphics it can go.
Getting out of this hellhole.
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our
What'd you jump
pockets.
on?
The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question
Yeah,
is, where
did you guys see my weighted blanket?
I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able
We're
to
setting up a
hide
new
out there,
camp.
No problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything
Oh,
else.
it's John.
You're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's going on.
Mason, look at, we're rich. We have covered. We have covered wagons. We're rich. Yeah, look at it. Electro Salmon and Craven now. I was mixing all of them. I still get to blow up the train, so I'm happy. Yo! Mason, do you see my my glasses holder? Did you look at it? Did you see what? Yeah, it was a Mustang. I said it like once to you guys. Actually, no, I probably said it a few times. Well, it was like 2 years ago, but nobody could get one when it came out. So
Here.
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
except YouTubers, bro, they somehow had like 100 of them. They were probably buying up the entire stock for PS5 giveaways. No. Bro, I got a few books for Christmas. I got the entire Hunger Games series.
Get up.
Oh, but oh, the graphics a little bit. My PC is glitching out. Alright, yes, let's apply that. Okay, we had to lower the textures down a bit, but
There, let's stick tight.
hope it runs a little bit better.
Here.
Yeah, it's running fine. I can do it. It's still running.
Get us out the
It's nice,
street.
but it's pretty good.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Ah, shit.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on after.
You still
got
strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Well, say less. Pick the wheel up.
Come on, we got this.
Nearly there. There.
Did we do it? Did we fix the wheel?
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
Alright, let's go.
Not
Why
too
do I
far
have to
now.
jump? Why can't you?
Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left
Just leave
inland.
us.
Yeah.
So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know
Bro.
if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man.
Okay.
He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. All life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted
Let me tell you
around.
about my clothing.
He was a very sad man, and
I
the drink
can't
had
look
a
cool
mean
at
hold
all.
on him. Around 13,
Areas.
I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
John
Arthur?
Marston.
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine.
Oh no, not that,
Cowboys,
not Valentine.
outlaws,
I played
working
online.
girls.
I played enough
Our
online
kind
to
of
know
place.
what goes down in
Driscoll's?
Valentine.
Probably them too.
Scary,
Pinkertons?
bro. That's
That's
where the modders
hope
are.
not.
And this
And online.
place we're going.
They'll just
What's
hang out
it
on
called again?
Valentine.
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low.
They'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just,
I heard a bunch
You
of
know,
lasers going off.
maybe it's
online
me who's
at
changed,
Valentine.
not him,
It's
but
pretty scary.
we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has
Jeez,
been.
how far is this? Valentine. Woo woo. I love Valentine. Just kidding, it's scary. Don't go there.
Me,
Or
you,
don't go there in online.
Dutch.
Online's scary.
We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yep.
Oh, now we're speeding. Ah.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow the track for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
No, I'm good. Run.
Yep.
Ooh, okay, we got the camp.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
Yeah, we made it.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck, east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look
do
around
that.
you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone,
I already
put
know
your
what's
tools
to
down
open
for a
World
moment.
to me.
Come on, gather
I
round.
have such a hard time
Quickly
following
now.
the story.
I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it
I've
is
been
that you
hunting.
find,
What?
the camp gets its slice.
Okay.
Now be sensible out there.
My question is,
Our
what happened
girls
to
have
the
your
two
tent
that I
ready,
gave
Mr.
you?
Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
My money.
We can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Bro. Sleep, shave, change clothes, or store weapons. So we can just completely customize Arthur Morgan. Chapter 2, Horseshoe Overlook. Let's go. Couple of weeks later. Accomplishment.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, in spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
What happened in Blackwater?
Arthur?
Jose?
What's up, Hosea? I like you. You're pretty cool.
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine.
Oh, we
Bill,
do the
Charles,
Valentine.
Javier.
Alright.
And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And
Oh, don't
Strauss
make me go and
came
help.
back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
No way, we got a camera?
Oh, Arthur, my boy. My dear boy.
What's going on?
Nothing. Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks. Nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
And I ain't losing it now.
Why am I looking like that? Yo, we did it. My horsey. I love my horsey, and my horsey love me. Okay, so right down here, what is that? That next station. Let's go up to Valentine. I don't want to do the mission though. Fast travel point. Let's just go. Alright, let's just go to Valentine. Alright. Ooh, open mountains.
I don't think you should just be wandering around here, friend.
What did you just say to me?
Not a thing happens round. Right, down you go!
God damn it!
That's what I thought, you old Driscolls.
Whoa, what the hell?
Okay, so I heard something talking about how you have to get certain honor to get certain endings. So,
All right,
I heard that the real game ending is like high honor. So, before I beat the game, I might have to get high honor. So that way I can get the true ending, because that's what I want. Because I don't want the other ending. So, I'm pretty sure you can be evil and then just be good later. Okay.
Morning, friend. Hey
So,
now, how are you there?
discover more regions. Oh, so I have to go to like actual places. Alright. Oh, mystery.
Some tenderfoot drew his iron on.
Careful, big man.
Typical. The way things are going these days.
Hey, move it!
You need help here? Let me know.
Chuck is gone.
Oh. You.
Get
Antagonize.
out of here, you drunken mess. Just get out of my way. You're a disgrace.
Should I do it?
You ain't scaring nobody. You was jumping. Look,
Oh.
huh?
This don't concern
What
me.
the hell?
Where do you think you're going, bud?
Hey!
It was an accident, bro. I swear.
I'll put you on the floor.
It was an accident. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. Run, run, run. Get on, get on.
Boy. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Ooh, what's going on here? $15 for me? Oh,
We got a long way to go, huh?
I can help.
I asked my boys here if they would help their pa build a new house. Thought I'd teach them a few things, you know? Couldn't hammer a nail to save their lives. Ain't that right, Curtis?
Whatever you say, Paul.
Look out!
Run!
What in holy hell are you doing, boy? Get that back up again right now.
Bro.
I'm gonna be 100 years old by the time we get this done. Hey, what the hell do you think?
Oh! Can I build the house now? Every dollar counts. So I don't think that was the best idea. Hold up, broski. Okay. Run. Okay. So, I think this is where we're gonna end it. I'm sorry, that was a pretty short episode. But there's a lot to do, lots of missions, and I just don't know what one to do yet. I think I need some time to think. So, that's gonna be it for today's video. See you next time. Peace.